and Angelina will be mine.
Oh, partigiano, portami via. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Bella sai, isoni. Oh, bella ciao, 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 ciao. Oh, 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 oh.
Celebrate the opening of my pizza cart. So I played some great music with some great friends.
よし、それじゃあ次の曲は大変の大好きなジャズの曲でどう？
Ooh, a little bit of jazz sounds perfect. Hey, Todd, got it, guys.
じゃあこの曲しよう。ワン、ツー、スリー、フォー。
ああ、この曲ね。I like that.
And every time it rains, it brings red from dip.
Show me to me,
Don't you know it's holiday? Red from dip.
show me to me.
You'll find your watching fathers all over town. Be sure that your umbrella up, 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 upside down. And dance, summer and rain. tell. Have you made it to Broadway yet?
Not yet, but I will.
Well, in the meantime, you're more than welcome to join us here on our curbside stage.
I thought you'd never ask!
Oh, man.
ブロードウェイの近くにいるんだからしょっちゅうやらない
Oh, I thought you'd never ask.
サインカウントお願いします
Come on along and listen to the lullaby of Broadway. The hooray and ballyhoo. The lullaby of Broadway. Come on along and listen to the lullaby of Broadway. The high and dee-doo. The lullaby of Broadway. When Broadway baby says goodnight, it's early in the morning. Midnight baby, don't sleep tight until the dawn.
Hey, Marina, you gotta sit down.
Oh, you are not getting away that easy, Kel. Why don't you pick up that washboard right there and play us a few more, eh?
Alright, only the promise in the slice.
Oh, it's always the pizza with you.
よし、それじゃあ次の曲はコニーアイランドでオッシュモードを演奏していたルイの昔の恋人リンダに捧げよう。
Linda! Oh, Linda, Linda.
Hey, honey, I'm not Linda.
Hey, not Linda. But I think I got a song for her, though. How's that one go again? Like that. Down by the beach, there lived the sweetest peach.
Ew.
Played a chord on her washboard. Folks would gather round every time just to hear that sound on a lonely island washboard. She would play. You could hear her on the floor of the bleeding. Soap suds on the ground, bubbles all around. From down and up in the middle cup, and you keep out. Pimples out of her fingers made the noise. Straight down and on the laundry for the boys. But she could drag her suit right through the knees of bread. There was an Indian on the Coney Island. What's around here, like, hey, what's got that? There's a pizza. Oh, pizza. あれちょっと待ってこれよルイかわいそうなリンダをさブロークンハートの前で来たんじゃないの
Oh, no, stop it! No, not a broken heart! でも確かにグーな気分にさせちゃったかもでも絶対に
さあ暑いですもんね今日ね。皆さんね気をつけてくださいよ。ママミーナママいいよ。
Oh, Mama!
ルイ
Oh, I still remember the scent of the Tuscan countryside. Oh, the warm embrace of the Mediterranean sun. Oh, in Mama's kitchen, that's got she now.
Mamma mia!
And even though I'm here in New York City, oh, I miss her cooking. Those recipes have been passed down for generations. No make me the best cook in America.
アメリカで一番の料理人だって。
Mamma
Okay,
mia!
okay. Enough with the Mamma Mia! Got these.
ああカピーシ。じゃあ一番懐かしいのは何かな。
Oh, Mama's homemade tomato sauce.
トマトソースだって本当に。
Oh, no. This wasn't just any tomato sauce. This was the best. Mama no sauce was like, oh, that's done. Simmered for hours. And every flavor, a symphony. Just a cappuccino, you are. Amore. Now say it with me. Amore. Kelly!
Luigi!
でもルイちゃんと頑張ってるんだよルイは。
See, Mama, I'm trying. Gabaruyo. But it's not just the ingredients. It's the love. So you can pour your heart into every dish. Amore.
You're just trying to make all these oh, Daniel, Sterling!
ママがルイの作ったソースを食べたらなんて言うだろう。
Oh, Jane was crying! Tears on Jane!
No, Mama, no! See my pizzeria? That's where Italy meets New York City. It's something new, and it's something for real. Woo! Red shit! No!
Mamma è sopra di Luigi! Io metto la pizza! Io metto la pasta! E tu metti quante Luigi! Io non metto
Oh,
sale!
grazie, Mama! I work hard to make you proud of your son. And one day, when you visit my pizzeria, you'll say, no, that's amore.
いやルイの話には感動したよ。きっとママも誇りに思ってるんじゃないかな。あ、そう僕たちはねみんなそれぞれ出身が違うんだけれどルイの強い精神が自分の文化を思い出させてくれたんだよ。
Oh, thank you very much, Patty. That is very kind.
そう僕たちアイルランド人は誇り高い人々で自分の信じるもののために全力で戦うのさ。そして仕事が終わった後はそれ以上に盛大に祝い合うのさ。
You worked so hard today, Louis. I think it's time we celebrate the Irish way!
ダンスね。そうダンスは誰もが楽しめる。年齢や地位も関係ない。喜びを分かち合うためにやるのさ。さあその気持ちを胸に。はいじゃあその気持ちを胸にみんなで一緒にアイリッシュジグ踊ろうよ。
Oh, Patty, count down, you got your bass! doing a great job. Let's give it up for Patty. Great job playing, Patty. Oh, you as well, Ty. Thank you. Oh, thank you for leading us, Kelly. Sasuga Patty, Moriyaga, Joseph. I just want to thank you all for being here with us today. Now, here's the hard work in celebrating success together. That's the American dream. Now, before I get too emotional, I play guitar. Yeah. Why don't we play one last song that brings each of us joy, eh? Dewa Saito no Kyoku!
I never asked.
Oh, whatever. Mina hato ni arigato!
Arigato!
Title! Count onegashimasu!
ありがとうありがとう。